Ano panpansinan?
This is cardboard. I can't even open it. I see it.
What is that?
It's something so you'll not get
It's galoy.
dollar. It's so hard to open.
Wow!
Can you help me? I'm going to get it.
It's part of your fine motor skill.
I found it. Yeah.
Wow! Can you open it, please?
Wow.
Wow! It's a new bathroom. That's Sienna.
This one, you have one minute.
Wow! Who is that?
Mr. Potato!
Who is that, Sienna?
Potato!
Hannah, can you move the middle here?
Shoot it to him.
Who is that, Sienna?
Mr. Potato!
Yeah, I know you like that.
Here, the bottom. Here, they're looking for you. Come here, Oh,
Oh,
look!
happy
Luis is trying to find something.
Okay, how about Luisa?
Shake
That's
my
from-
ear, shake my ear. Tita Yummy.
Wow, you have a lot from Tita. Oh, that's Mr. Potato Head and Mr.
Ow! Oh, you have a hat too.
Wow.
Where it come from? You wear it. Oh,
Look, see,
hey.
shake. Press this. The mustache is gonna move. The mustache is gonna move.
That's so funny.
It's Santa Claus. Yeah, Luis, press this. Press this, Luis. See, the mustache is moving. It's yours here. Oh, Lego.
Mr. Potato Head. Can I see Sienna?
Oh, remove it. Remove his ears.
No, it's okay, Hannah. Let her. Madam Dama.
I'm gonna eat one chocolate, okay?
Okay.
Chocolate coin. Come on. Okay, try to this.
Okay, that. Oh, no.
Here, your guitar. Bing, bing, bing.
That's from Luis.
What is it?
Tita Rani?
I don't know what this do.
That's from whom, Luisa?
Tita Lani and Tita.
Oh,
This does nothing.
Messi.
What does this do?
that's for I don't know. I don't know how to call that.
Wait, Salindro.
Lendo.
Shana, open that one. Open that one. Shana, that one, open. Yeah.
Now, Sienna is very interested with Mr. Potato Head. Can I see? Do you know how to assemble Mr. Potato Head, Sienna?
Here, Luis. This one is for. Okay. I think that's this. Daddy, can you do the guitar?
Okay.
What's in there?
Shake your ears. Shake your ears. Whoa, Lego. That's gummy Lego. Don't open it yet.
Okay.
We're gonna build.
Okay, do you want to open Tita Dang's gift now? Okay.
There's a card.
Okay, can you read what's in the card? Okay, can read it.
I can read the tiny words.
Okay, just read the Tusibayan family. Okay, read that.
Christmas is a time for celebrating with family and friends.
Yeah.
Far and near. And warm wishes are sent to you for a Merry Christmas holiday filled with joy and cheer that will last through the season and continue on into the coming year. Merry Christmas.
Okay. This is from Ifleda. Thank you, Dang. Thank you, friend, for everything. Love and prayers, Dang.
Oh,
Thank you to Dang.
You're going to.
Okay, this is from Tita Dang. Okay, what's inside?
Don't know how to write. Here.
Oh, wow. This is for Hannah, I think. Yeah.
Hey, give me that. Give me that.
This is Peppa
That's
Pig.
good.
It's okay.
Oh,
That's
this is.
let-
Whoa,
Peppa
look at
Pig.
this.
And this is an animal book. Wow.
I can learn here, but I don't really like it.
This is
For cooking. Peppa Pig!
wow, cooking pan. Nice. Big one.
Jenna, come look at the Peppa Pig.
It's a Peppa Pig jigsaw puzzle, yeah? Ano?
Yeah.
Wooden puzzle.
And what's this book for?
And what is that, siya?
Whoa! There's a lot of pieces.
Okay, don't scatter it, Hannah, please. Put this back, please.
Come on. Let's see the book. Jenna, look at the book. Jenna, look at the book. Jenna, look at this book. You need to do this. Hey, what's this? You need to a card. It's an activity. There's cards. Look here. Oh, there's a pencil. Here, try to. This belongs to me. Okay, make something.
What's this?
Okay, how about this one? Oh, this is for Luis. Give that to Ate Luis. Oh, this is for you, Siana. This is from Tita Marita.
Okay, Luis.
Wow!
Look at mine.
Look at my stuff. Look at my stuff. Don't you?
Mama, look at my stuff.
Wow, bravo!
Oh, look at that.
Look at mine. See?
I'm gonna try this.
Open more, open more. There's more. We'll put on that big box, okay?
Yeah.
We'll put it on.
Hey, don't put your mama like that. I'm gonna see this.
Okay.
My
And this is for
pleasant time.
Luisa from Tita Yummy.
My pleasant.
And this is for Siana.
It's a book.
And this is for Siana.
And what is this for?
Dear Santa, I can explain. This is from
Tita Yummy.
Tiana from Tita Yummy. You have a lot, Siana. And this is for Luisa.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
Oh, there's more here. This is for Hannah. From Mama and Daddy.
Candy.
And this is for... Oh, that's for you, Luis.
Ah, this single.
Oh, there's more here.
Ah! Look, it's a shirt.
Wow. It's a book. Okay, this is for Daddy.
Mama, who's piano?
Give this to Daddy.
Mama, who's piano that?
I don't know. That's for Luisa. That's yours, Luis. Okay, there's two more. This is for Tita Yummy.
Oh, and thank you.
Yeah. And last but not the least is for Hannah. It's for you, Hannah.
It's a fusion!
I know because you love frozen. Oh. Oh my god. Look at that.
I hope you like the color.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need scissor, Hannah?
And choose present stuff. That's Jenna. I'm just gonna group this one. This is a Halloween Christmas bag.
Can I see what's that, Hannah? I'm very interested with that.
It's making sound.
Uh-oh.
Wow!
Oh my goodness. 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 Look at.
Oh boy!
Wait, yes, it's sound.
How are you doing, Daddy?
Daddy, what are you doing? Lula. Hey, Lula, let's see this.
Thank you.
I don't even know what's this.
You can figure it out later. You don't know to... Yeah.
I don't know what's this password. There's a code here.
Look
Okay,
at
sing
that.
Merry Christmas, Hannah. Girls, sing Merry Christmas.
We wish you a
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you, Lord. Okay, now
Thank you.
it's time to clean up. What's that?
with the book.
Oh, I think that's your book. There, the aftermath.
I don't know how to do this code, but this pencil have an eraser in the back.
You can figure it out later.
There's a code here. Let's try.
There, so Merry Christmas. My eldest daughter gave me this. And it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling.
Where is nothing inside?
Hannah, what's the. Oh,
Hey, give me that.
can I borrow this?
No.
To work?
Now.
Please.
You have a tablet, Hannah, but it doesn't mean you have your time there. I'm still the boss with the tablet, okay?
We
Okay, Luis. What can you say about all your gifts? Are you happy?
yeah.
Okay, can you say thank you to all the persons who give you your gift?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. How about you, Sienna? Are you happy with all your gifts?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so can you say thank you? All right.